fancy apartment door. We are in this very nice, fancy building. Sounds like the elevator's here.
Yes.
I like this cab.
This one says 350 feet a minute.
Look, there's the old indicator.
I don't know where we're going.
Now we're going to 1. I like this. I swear I've seen this indicator on Reliance elevators. So maybe Reliance did this. Because I don't remember where, but I saw an indicator just like that and it was on a Reliance.
I'm not familiar with the whole Reliance thing, so it could be.
Have you been on a Reliance yet?
I don't think so. If I have, it was modernized.
Good. I'll have to take you on one. Sure, sir. Oh, sorry. It's got the dial up there. That's pretty neat. And that's it. Also, that dial does not work.